Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious mango smoothie for weight loss. We'll focus on ingredients that are both nutritious and satisfying. You'll need about 1 cup of fresh or frozen mango chunks, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and a scoop of your favorite protein powder. For an extra boost, add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. This combination helps keep you full and energized. Now let's get blending. First, pour your 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk into the blender. Then, add your 1 cup of mango chunks, the scoop of protein powder, and the 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Secure the lid and blend on high for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until it's perfectly smooth and creamy. If you prefer a colder, thicker smoothie, toss in a few ice cubes and blend again. You can easily customize your mango smoothie to suit your taste and nutritional needs. For an extra dose of vitamins, try adding a handful of fresh spinach. You won't even taste it. A squeeze of fresh lime juice can brighten the flavor beautifully. If you like a little spice, a half teaspoon of grated ginger works wonderfully. Remember, these additions keep your smoothie exciting and beneficial. This mango smoothie is an excellent tool for your weight loss journey. It's packed with fiber and protein, which helps you feel full and satisfied for hours, preventing unnecessary snacking. With approximately 300 calories per serving, it makes a great meal replacement. Remember to pair this delicious smoothie with a balanced diet and consistent physical activity for the best and most sustainable results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.